Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I say many thanks for those of you who are loyal and continue to watch my videos. In this video I will give tips on sewing a zipper pocket like in the video image I marked. To install or make this top zipper pocket, the system is almost the same as making the bottom zipper pocket. The difference is only in the installation of the puring cloth or the inner fabric of the pocket. A very easy process if you guys really pay attention to the video. I think it's very easy to make. Especially when it comes to making the initial pattern. We are really careful when giving the point of the pocket position, so when sewing it won't be difficult because of the position of the pattern point fit, so the results are also right. If there is something you don't understand in this video, please ask in the comments column. I'll answer as best I can. Oh yes, yesterday someone asked for a pattern making video on paper. I haven't had time to make it. Maybe after this video I will give the video. I'm sorry for being late in making a pattern making video. I promise after this video I will make it, just wait. If you have an idea, or have a desire to make a jacket and want me to make a method, or I make a tutorial, please leave it in the comments in the form of an image site. Later I will try to make a full tutorial from start to finish.